Tas ir Klemente.
Hola!
Mēs esam, kā sauc what's the name of this city?
Monte Marcello.
Monte Marcello.
Ciao, belle! I think it's better if you... yes, switch.
Okay.
So, show the sound of the ocean.
The sound of the ocean.
Yeah, we are going there.
Mēs iesim tur lejā. We are going down there.
There where is the storm.
Yeah. We will be there. Re, ko jūs esat nokavējuši?
Very big.
Yeah. It's cool.
Usually, I jump from that rock to the left. From that stone, you jump in the water.
Okay. Jūrā citā pusē ir 5 metru augsti viļņi, tāpēc mēs tomēr iesim uz parastāku pludmali nekā tur, kur mēs gribējām. So, yeah.
You see that?
This?
You see the little sound on the cliff? Or on the cliff?
Yeah, this one? That would... Jā, tas ir, what is that? Nu, var sakot, jūs redzējāt. Labi, mēs turpināsim savu reportāžu, laikam drusku vēlāk. Šajā pilsētā viena māja maksā 5000 kvadrātmetrā. Bet tu neredzēsi, un šitai nav nevienas mašīnas pilsētā. Labi.